Hello, everyone. As we all know, belly fat is a common problem faced by many people, and it can be stubborn and challenging to get rid of. But there is a solution. Let me tell you about a yoga technique that can help you reduce belly fat. It is called Kapalbhati. This practice involves a series of short, sharp breaths that are meant to increase the amount of oxygen in your body. When you do this, your body burns more calories and reduces fat, especially from the stomach area. To do Kapalbhati, sit or stand in any comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Now, without changing the position of your body, start breathing rapidly and forcefully for about 10 seconds. Do this for 3 to 5 minutes. It is important to note that this exercise should not be done on an empty stomach. Avoid doing it if you have low blood pressure or other health issues. If you want to accelerate your weight loss journey, then try this yoga technique. It is safe, effective, and can be done anytime, anywhere.